Have you ever wondered where your fat actually goes? When you lose weight, you hit the gym, you watch your diet, and the number on the scale goes down. But what happened to the fat? Did it just vanish into thin air? Well, the answer might surprise you, and it's probably not what you think. Let's start by busting some common myths. First, the idea that fat turns into muscle. This is a big one, but it's physiologically impossible. Fat and muscle are two completely different types of tissue, like oil and water. You can lose fat and build muscle at the same time, which is awesome, but you can't convert one directly into the other. Another popular belief is that fat is converted into energy. This one is partially true, but it's not the whole story. Your body does use fat for energy, but the fat itself doesn't just disappear into an energy cloud. The process is much more specific. Think of it like burning wood in a fireplace. The wood releases energy as heat and light, but the wood itself turns into smoke and ash. So, if fat isn't turning into energy, where are its smoke and ash? And what about sweating it out? We often feel like we're melting away fat during a sweaty workout. While sweating is a great sign that you're working hard and your body is cooling itself down, sweat is mostly water with some salts and minerals. You might lose some water weight temporarily, but you're not directly sweating out fat cells. If that were the case, a sauna session would be the ultimate weight loss tool. So, if it's not turning into muscle, energy, or sweat, where does the fat go? The real answer is incredible, and it all comes down to basic chemistry. The vast majority of the fat you lose is actually breathed out. Let me break it down. Fat, in our bodies, is stored in the form of triglycerides. These molecules are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. When you burn fat through metabolic processes, you're essentially breaking down these triglycerides to release the energy stored in their chemical bonds. This process requires oxygen, which is why your breathing rate increases when you exercise. Now for the mind-blowing part. According to a study published in the British Medical Journal, when you lose, say, 10 kilograms of fat, a staggering 8.4 kilograms of it leaves your body as carbon dioxide, or COS. You exhale it, the remaining 1.6 kilograms turns into water, which is then excreted through your urine, sweat, and other bodily fluids. Think about that for a second. More than 80% of the fat you lose is literally breathed out into the atmosphere. You are breathing out your lost weight. This is why exercise is so crucial for fat loss. It's not just about the calories you burn during the activity. When you exercise, your muscles need more oxygen to function. Your heart pumps faster to deliver that oxygen, and you start breathing deeper and more frequently to take it in. This increased oxygen intake is what fuels the fat oxidation process. As your body breaks down fat for energy, it produces carbon dioxide and water as by. To get rid of that excess carbon dioxide, you have to exhale it. So, the more you move and the more you breathe, the more you facilitate this entire fat loss process. This is the beautiful connection between movement and breathing. Every deep breath you take during a run, a bike ride, or even a brisk walk is part of the system that helps transport fat out of your body. It's a constant cycle. You breathe in oxygen, your body uses it to break down fat, and you breathe out the waste product, carbon dioxide. So, the next time you finish a workout and you're breathing heavily, panting for air, don't just think of it as being tired. Think of it as actively exhaling the fat you burn it. It's a powerful and tangible reminder of the amazing work your body is doing. You are literally getting lighter with every breath. Understanding this process can be incredibly motivating. It demystifies weight loss and shows that it's not some magical, abstract concept. It's a real, physical, chemical process happening inside you. Your body is an incredible machine, and by moving it and breathing, you are its pilot. So, keep moving, keep breathing, and remember that you're not just working out. You're fundamentally changing your body's composition one breath at a time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this fascinating, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content that breaks down the science behind your health. See you in the next one.